Only two students in the class till now. So we are doing chapter 17, construction, and we are doing exercise 17A. We have done question 11. Question number 12, again of the same type. Okay, so do it in homework. Question 12. Let us start doing question 13. Okay, so this is the fifth type of question. 1, 4, 2, 3, 4. No, it is the sixth type of question, sixth category. Yeah, exercise 17A, question number 13, last question of the exercise, and type 6. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 4 centimeters. We have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 4 centimeters. AC what? AC is the diagonal of the quadrilateral. AC is 5 centimeters. AD, another side of the quadrilateral, 5.5 centimeters, and angle ABC, that means angle B, is given 90. Angle ACD also 90. Both the angles 90 degrees each. Angle ABC, and angle ACD. Angle ACD is which angle, everyone? So it is very, very important to draw the rough figure in this question. So first of all, let us draw the rough figure here. ABCD. Here the length of AB is 4 centimeters. AC, what is AC? AC is diagonal, 5 centimeters. What is AD? 5.5 centimeters. AD. Angle ABC we have to draw 90 degrees, right angle. And angle ACD, that means this angle also, it should be 90 degrees. Angle ACD. Okay. So let me draw it. Draw a somewhat looking like a 90-degree angle. Okay. So something like this. So angle ACD should also be 90 degrees. Okay. Fine. So first of all, draw a line segment AB of 4 centimeters, everyone. AB 4 centimeters. Then we have to construct angle B 90 degrees. Do you all know how to construct angle B of 90 degrees? Any angle of 90 degrees? Okay, I hope you all will construct it yourself. If you need any help, you can tell me. Construct angle B of 90 degrees. Draw a big line, a long one. Okay, because we don't know the length of BC. It could be anything. Okay, so we have drawn angle B 90 degrees. I hope you all have constructed it. So for constructing 90 degrees, you have to first construct 60, then 120, then bisect angle 60 and 120. Okay, you will get 90. Now AC, you have to construct AC of 5 centimeters. Okay, all of you. AC should be 5. So how will you construct? How will you find the vertex C? Measure 5 centimeter in your compass, all of you. Look at the board, everyone. Measure 5 centimeter in your compass, and from vertex A, draw an arc on this line. From vertex A, draw an arc, cut an arc on this line. So this point of intersection of the line and the arc is actually the vertex C. This is your vertex C. Fine, all of you. We can join AC now. AC is one of the diagonals of the quadrilateral. Join AC. Okay, and what is the length of AC? If you measure AC, you will find that it is 5 centimeters. Why 5? Because we had cut an arc from point A to C at a distance of 5 centimeters. We took 5 centimeters in the compass and we cut an arc from vertex A. So that is why the length of AC is 5. Okay. Now what? From vertex C, the work that we did here for this triangle, it has become a triangle now. The same thing we have to do here also. Again, you have to construct angle C of 90 degrees. So construct an angle of 90 degrees at vertex C. You have to make angle ACD 90 degrees. Okay, angle ACD should be 90. So this is how it will look like. 90-degree angle. Okay, angle ACD is 90. So you draw an arc from vertex C to construct 90 degrees, then 60 degree, 120 degree, and when you bisect 60 and 120, you get 90. Now what we will construct, we will take 5.5 centimeters to find the vertex D. We will take 5.5 centimeters in the compass. So have you all drawn till here? First, I am giving you some time to complete it till here. Complete it till here, then I will tell you what to do next.
Sir, done.
Done. Now what? You take 5.5 centimeters in your compass and keep your compass at vertex A and cut an arc on this line. It may be somewhere here, cutting it somewhere here. So this point is the vertex D. Okay, this is your vertex D. Now just join AD, you will get the complete quadrilateral. Join AD. Please post your answers of the previous questions also, all of you, and this one also. What's your answers, all of you?
Sir, posting.
Done. All of you, please post it if you have done. Mandina, Pranjali, Ayushman, Tobia.
Sir, done. Sir, posting.
So now we are starting with the next exercise. You all are taking a lot of time in constructing these figures. 17b. Ayushman has posted. Very good, absolutely right. Excellent. So exercise 17b, question number 1, we have to construct a parallelogram. We will be using the properties of parallelograms and all the types of parallelograms, rhombus, square, rectangle, to construct these shapes. Okay, so get ready, all of you. Question 1, construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB is 5 point. We have to construct a parallelogram. So please mention the name of the shape also. Parallelogram, because in all the questions we will be constructing different shapes. It is a parallelogram where AB, side AB of the parallelogram is 5.2 centimeters. BC is 4.6, 4.7 centimeters, and the diagonal AC is 7.6 centimeters. So we know only three things. Can I say that we know all the four sides of the parallelogram? Here only two sides are given. But can I say that we know all the four sides of the parallelogram?
No, sir.
No, we cannot say this. We can say that we know all the four sides of the parallelogram because in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Look at this. This is a rough figure. It may look like this, the parallelogram ABCD when we construct it. AB is 5.2. So we can say that CD is also 5.2. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, BC is 4.7. So we can say that AD is also 4.7 because again opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So that means we know all the four sides of the parallelogram and we know one diagonal. The diagonal AC 7.6. Start constructing it. Now it is same as question number 1 of exercise 17A. We know all the four sides of the quadrilateral and we know one diagonal of the quadrilateral. You already know how to construct this type of quadrilateral. Same as question 1 of exercise 17A. Start doing it. I will not be giving much time for this question. You don't need to look at the board. Keep on doing it. 5.2 centimeters AB. AB 5.2. Now length of BC is 4.7. So cutting an arc at a distance of 4.7 centimeters from B, measure 4.7 centimeters in the compass and cut an arc at a distance of 4.7 from point B. Okay. And the length of the diagonal AC is 7.6. So it will be something like this. From vertex A, we will cut another arc at a distance of 7.6 centimeters. The point of contact is your vertex C. We have already done this type of thing in the previous exercise. So BC is one of the sides. Join BC. We can also join diagonal AC. AC is the diagonal. So you can make it, if you want, you can make it a dotted line. Okay, now we will cut an arc from A at a distance of 4.7, again 4.7 centimeters from vertex A. 4.7. Okay, and then from vertex C, because we know the length AD, we know the length CD also. Look at the rough figure, you will come to know everything. We know the length AD 4.7 and we know the length CD also 5.2. So from vertex C, draw an arc at a distance of 5.2 centimeters. So this point of contact is your vertex D. And when you join AD and CD, you will get the parallelogram. My parallelogram may not look perfect, but if you draw it with correct measurements, your parallelogram will look perfect. So 5.2 centimeters, 4.7 centimeters. This is 7.6. This is again 5.2. Very good. Post your answer in the group. Let's do the next one. Question 2. Again, two sides of the parallelogram are given. One diagonal is given. So same type you will do in homework. So let's see the third question. Yes, we will be doing the third question now. Here, the length AB and the length AD are given of the parallelogram. We have to construct a again. Please mention the name of the shape. Parallelogram. Okay. So AB, side AB of the parallelogram is 4.3 centimeters. Side AD of the parallelogram. Has anyone posted the answer in the group? Ayushman has posted the previous one. Very good, Ayushman. Correct. Side AD of the parallelogram is 4 centimeters. Okay. We have to also draw angle PQR 60 degrees. Angle PQR. Sorry. I have mixed two questions. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. The side QR is 6. QR is 6 centimeters. PQ is 4 centimeters. And angle PQR is 60 degrees. Okay. So these are the three things given. Can we say that we know all the four angles of this parallelogram?
Four angles.
All the four angles. Can we say that we know all the four angles and all the four sides of the parallelogram? We know everything about the parallelogram except the diagonals. Can we say that we know all the four angles?
No, sir.
No, we cannot say it. You don't know angle P. Do you know angle Q?
Yes, sir. 60.
So if you know angle Q, you can't find out angle P.
Yes, sir. You can four.
So we know it or not? Angle P will be 120 degrees. What is
Yes.
angle S? If angle Q is 60, what will be angle S? You can find it.
120.
It will be
Yes.
60 only. Opposite Q and S will be opposite. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So we know all the four angles of the parallelogram and we know all the four sides of the parallelogram. Let me show you how in the rough figure. So this is PQRS. I'm going to draw it like this. Angle Q will be 60. The side PQ is 4 centimeters. If angle Q is 60, angle C will be 60. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. We are using the properties like I told you when we started the chapter. Angle Q is 60, that means angle P is 120. Consecutive angles are supplementary, therefore angle P is 120. 180 minus 60, 120. Angle R, again 120. Angle P and angle R opposite angles, so they will be equal. Now we know the side PQ4, therefore the side RS is also 4 centimeters. Side SP is also, SP is given. QR is given 6 centimeters. Therefore, we can say that SP is also 6 centimeters. Let's start constructing the parallelogram. So we know too much information about the parallelogram. So this is QP, PQ, whatever you like to say. QP, 4 centimeters. Now let's construct angle Q of 60 degrees. You all can draw angle 60 degrees very easily. Start constructing it in your copy. It will be looking like this. Once you are done with it, it will look like this something. So we have drawn angle Q 60, and now draw angle P also. We know angle P 120 degrees. Look at the rough figure. Don't look at this information on the left side. Look at the information on the right side. That is the rough figure. On the left side of the screen, very less information is there. On the right side of the screen, rough figure, everything is given. Everything we can see from the rough figure. So now construct angle P of 120 degrees. So you will get two parallel lines. Automatically the lines will be parallel. Why? Because the angles are supplementary, right? So you will get two parallel lines like this. Now what is left? Ready? Have you all drawn the angles 60 and 120? Just complete it till here, then I will tell you what to do next. Okay. So Pranjali will tell us what to do after this. Pranjali, how to find the vertex R? Try. No problem if your answer is wrong. No one is going to hurt you. Pranjali, how to find the vertex R? P, Q, R, S. The length of QR is 6. Pranjali, see in the rough figure it is given 6. How to find the vertex R now? Ayushman, how to find the vertex R?
Sir, we will cut an arc from Q to Q of 6 centimeters.
Absolutely right. We will cut an arc from vertex Q at a distance of 6 centimeters. The point where the intersection will be there is the vertex R. Same thing we will do on this side also. From vertex P, we will cut another arc at a distance of 6 centimeters. You will get the vertex S. Now only a formality is left. Just join RS. You will get the required parallelogram. You can see it is a parallelogram. Right, all of you? You can now
Yes.
write the dimensions 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 4 centimeters. That's it. This is the parallelogram. So we have used the properties of parallelogram to construct this parallelogram with very limited information. Still, we can construct it. Can we start with the next one?
Yes.
Question 4, same category, same type. Do it yourself. We are now moving on to question number 5. So we will be doing one question of each type here in the class. Otherwise, this chapter will take at least a week. Such a small chapter, it will take at least 8 days if I do all the questions here, if I discuss all the questions in the class. Okay, so I hope you all are doing the work at your home, completing the homework.
Yes, sir.
Much homework is there? Just two, three, four questions every day. So you can complete it easily. Question number 5. Construct a parallelogram, one of whose sides is 4.4 centimeters and whose diagonals are 5.6 and 7 centimeters. Measure the other side. Very good. So in the parallelogram, again it is a parallelogram. We have to construct a parallelogram. One of the sides of the parallelogram. Let's name the parallelogram as ABCD. I'm drawing the rough figure here. Let's name the parallelogram as ABCD. Okay. One of the sides of the parallelogram is 4.4 centimeters and the length of the two diagonals are given. So if the parallelogram is ABCD, then we can say that the side AB is 4.4, the diagonal BD is 5.6 centimeters, and the diagonal AC is also given. Both the diagonals are given. Diagonal AC is 7 centimeters. So the length of both the diagonals are given and one side. So let's name the parallelogram as ABCD, where AB is 4.4 centimeters. This is what we have to do. BD we have to construct 5.6 centimeters and the diagonal AC as 7 centimeters. Good question. Very good question. We will not be able to complete the question in the period. Okay, then everyone please start doing question 4 right now. Previous one. We will do this in tomorrow's class. Start doing question 4. Same as question 3. Do it. Post your answer of question 3 and 4 both in the group. If you have done the third one, please post it right now. And then later on you can post the fourth one.